Hey everyone, good day. And so this right here is the GOSOU Ski Jacket, which I'm going to be trying out and letting you know how I feel about it. So I have the size small, but sometimes I run between small and medium. But no, I particularly snowboard, and so this is what it looks like. It really looks nice, especially for the price that you're getting it at. So again, this is the GOSOU Snow Ski Jacket, and so it's a gray and size small. Go ahead and try it on. Again, I usually run between size small and size medium and about 160 pounds. So this is what the jacket looks like. Okay. So the size small is actually pretty good, and I'd say most of the time I do wear size mediums. And again, 160 pounds, I'm about 5'8" inches, 5 feet and 8 inches. But this is what the size small looks like on me. And now with it though, you've got like the base layer, which is really neat, and you've got like a thumb imprint as well. And then you've got like sides here to kind of tighten up your wrist straps so that snow doesn't get into it. You've got a side pocket over here, which is really nice. And it's not completely identical on the right side. So left side does have the side pocket here, right side does not, but it still has the sleeve, of course. Now moving on to the outside portion of the jacket, you have a pocket here, which is a pretty decent size. And then you've got another side pocket here as well. Side pocket here as well. So you've got basically 4 identical pockets left and right. It looks like this handle pocket. This is going to be pretty useful when it comes to scanning yourself in, I imagine. But I feel like if you put your card, and I'm talking about like your lift ticket, in any pocket, it should be fine. Now, I don't really see any other pockets. Now, in my opinion, this is a little bit insulated. I mean, you also have this portion right over here to kind of tighten it down. So you've got some buttons here, and then no inside pockets. Well, you do have an inside pocket here actually. So if you're one who likes to snowboard or ski with headphones, this is where you put it in. And then it would leap through here as a headphone jack, I believe. Just to zoom in on that, this is where your headphones can actually be placed in and go through so that you can wear them. Now, as far as zippering it up goes, now for me, I consider this to be more shell-like. Shell meaning like you can wear your base layers underneath and use this to kind of protect yourself from the weather and such. But overall, it looks really neat. Okay, I'm actually quite happy with it. So again, I'd say 90% of the time I do tend to wear size mediums, okay? But if you like your stuff more fitted, then definitely go a size lower. But if you like it more baggier, like if I were to get a size medium, then definitely this would be a lot baggier. And then I just want to go over the hood portion real quick and show you if there's anything neat about that. So with the hood portion, you basically just have ties here to kind of tighten up the hood. The hood isn't detachable, but that's pretty much it though. I'd say it feels comfortable. It's a great shell, great for the price as well. But let me know if you guys have any questions though. I absolutely love it. They come in a variety of different colors. There actually is an open neck pocket. I guess I missed this one right here. So there is an open mesh pocket on the inside layer of the jacket where I wouldn't put valuables here, but maybe you have some snacks you can easily put in here. Button it down, okay? So there's a spot for like some open stuff right over here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you've enjoyed this review. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.